4.22 seconds. That is the time it takes the best of the best to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now that seems pretty crazy. But this Guinness World Record was set in Melbourne, Australia by a man named Felix. Today I'll be teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. There are 3 steps to solving a Rubik's Cube. You have to solve the white cross, or the white face, the middle layer, and the top layer. Now, all those are moderately hard, but with a lot of time and practice, you'll be able to solve it. So the first part of solving a cube is you want to find the white center. There's 6 centers, and each color is opposite. So white and yellow are opposite of each other. So white is the bottom, yellow is the top. There's blue and green, which are opposite each other, and then red and orange, opposite of each other. So you find the white center, and then you find there are 4 centerpieces, because there's orange and white, and those 2 match, so we'll find that one. And we'll flip it to the top, so orange is matching with yellow. We'll flip it to the side here, and insert it. We'll find all the other pieces then, and do the same thing, and match them up. Now you have the white cross. Now, the next part of this is you want to find all 4 corners, and like the part that I told you about the centers, you have to find all 3 corner centers. Like about 3/4, green, red, and white have to match. So I have this one right here. I insert it there, and then it's in the right spot. You do that with all their corners, and then you have the white face done. That is the first layer of your cube. Now, the next middle layer, you need really only 2 algorithms. And algorithms are what cubers call the steps you use to solve the cube. It's basically a fancy math term. So what happens is you're going to find a corner you want to insert. So I want to put in the blue and red middle. And the blue is matching on the blue side. So I'm going to flip it to the left and go like this. And I have it matched up. Then I'm going to flip it over here so the blue is matching with red. Flip the blue side. So now that corner is inserted. Here's the opposite case. The red is on top, so it doesn't match here. So we're going to flip the green side down to the back. And we're going to flip up this side, the front side, go like that. And then it's matched up. And then those are the 2 algorithms you need to solve the middle layer. Moderately simple, sometimes. So those are the only things you should need if you do it right. Now the last part is the top layer, and that's the hardest of them all, because you need to be able to solve multiple algorithms, be able to fit all your corner pieces in, and it's really complicated. So there's 3 instances where you would solve the top, because you do the cross, same as the bottom, but it's a little bit different because you already have some set up. We have the L here. We like to call this L. So we go like this, and then we have a cross. Now I use a different method than beginners would. It's called CFOP. So you have a cross here, but then what other people would do is you get all the middles in the right spot, which they are right now. But for CFOP, I have 2 headlights here, and I have 2 corners facing away here. So I do this algorithm, and then I have something that we like to call soon. And then I just go like this. So headlights, which I just showed you, is where 2 of the same colors are facing like a car headlights would. So like 2 yellows or 2 reds or any of the colors. But here we don't have any headlights. So we have an algorithm that's this. There's no name for it. You repeat it twice. And then hopefully you'll end up with headlights like this, which is your main thing that you use. For headlights, then you go like this. But now we don't have any more headlights, which is good. Because when you get headlights, you're going to do the no headlights algorithm again, twice. So then hopefully you'll end up with something like this. Red is matched up with green, and green is matched up with red. Orange is matched up with blue, and blue is matched up with orange. Now, there's a different algorithm for this in beginner's method because you don't solve this way. But the way you'd solve it in a CFOP is you go middle twice, twist it, and do that, and then you solve the cube. Now, that's a lot of stuff packed into this speech. Usually it takes a long time for people to learn it, so it might seem complex right now, yeah, You need to be able to solve the white face, the middle layer, and just every other layer, which is kind of fun. But then you should be able to do it. I hope you enjoyed this speech, and with a lot of time and dedication and practice, you should be able to solve the Rubik's Cube too.